Welcome! If you've ever wanted to show your friends where you work on Facebook but weren't sure how to do it with the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to make your workplace visible to your friends using the Facebook app on your PC. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll notice several tabs and sections. Find and click on the About section. This is where all your personal information is stored, including your contact info, basic details, and of course, your work and education history. Next, look for the Work and Education section. Here, you'll see your current and past workplaces, as well as any schools you've added. Find your workplace listed here. Right next to it, you'll notice a small audience icon. It might look like a little globe, two heads, or something similar, depending on your current privacy setting. Click on that audience icon. A menu will pop up showing you different privacy options for who can see your workplace information. To make sure only your friends can view where you work, select the Friends option from the list. Once you've chosen Friends, click Done to save your changes. And that's it. You've just updated your workplace visibility so that only your friends can see where you work on Facebook. This is a great way to share your professional life with people you know while still keeping your information private from the public. If you found these steps helpful, don't forget to share this video with others who might need a quick guide. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.